Tackle your toughest home, outdoor, and auto cleaning tasks with next-generation grime-fighting technology. SPX2600 Electric Pressure Washer from Sunjoe. SPX2600's eco-friendly 13-amp electric motor packs a powerful punch, up to 2,600 pounds per square inch, to blast through even the most stubborn stains and dirt, while the 1.3 gallon per minute max flow rate rinses it all away. Remove tar and grease from concrete, heavy mildew stains, oil stains caked on mud, peeling paint, and other tough cleaning tasks with a twist of the nozzle, from 0-degree pinpoint jet to powerful 45-degree fan spray. And when you really need a boost, SPX2600 includes Sunjoe's feather bristle utility brush and universal wheel and rim brush for your toughest hands-on cleaning tasks and to scrub away caked on grease and grime. Or tap into the onboard 30.4 fluid ounce detergent tank and fill with your favorite detergent for an extra boost of cleaning power. Plus, with a host of DIY-friendly features like the 20-foot steel reinforced high-pressure hose and 35-foot power cord with GFCI protection, SPX2600 is the right choice for outdoor home and improvement chores. And every SPX2600 pressure washer comes backed by Sunjoe's complete 2-year warranty for the continuous reliable performance you've come to expect from America's top-selling eco-friendly brand of pressure washers. From porch to patio to siding, windows, driveway, and deck, go with Joe and your dirty jobs just got done. SPX2600 Electric Pressure Washer from Sunjoe. Get equipped.